Hey everyone, welcome again to this channel. Just a quick reminder for you. Before we begin, please check the description below. I have added the WP Reset Pro lifetime deal link and all the latest information. If anything changes later or if a bonus is added later, I will update it there for you. So always give that a quick look. Today we are talking about WP Reset Pro, and trust me, if you use WordPress, you are going to want this tool in your toolkit. It's kind of like an emergency button for your site. If anything goes wrong, like a bad plugin update or a theme messes up your site, you can roll things back in seconds. So what does WP Reset actually do? Well, it lets you reset, restore or manage your WordPress site super fast. For example, let's say you installed a bunch of plugins and now your site is slow or broken. You can just hit reset and bring everything back to how it was before. And don't have to reinstall WordPress from scratch. WP Reset handles it smoothly. One of the best features is snapshots. These are like a little save point. Before you make big changes like updating all plugin or changes theme, you can create a snapshot. If something breaks, you just click restore and your site goes back like magic. Another cool thing is the collections feature. Let's say you work on multiple WordPress sites. You can save your favorite set of plugins as a group and install them all at once on a new site. Saves a lot of time if you are building websites for clients or doing freelance work. It also has a white label mode, so if you are doing client work, you can hide WP Reset branding and make it look like your own tool. Pretty handy for professionals. And yes, the most exciting part is it's available now as a lifetime deal. That means no monthly fees, no recurring payments. You pay one time and you are done. You can use it forever. I really recommend this tool, not just for fixing problem, but also for trying new things safely. Like you can test plugin, theme or updates without fear because you can always roll back with one click. So is it worth it? For WordPress users, absolutely yes. Whether you are a beginner, blogger or agency, having WP Reset Pro is like having a safety net. And if you have used it already, drop your thought in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video with more reviews.